Hello there, it's Mr. Logue. How are you all doing? Here's another maths lesson. Learning objective to solve proportion word problems. Our steps to success will be using bar models to represent each problem, using our formal written methods for each of the 4 operations, and also making sure we include the unit of measurement in each of our answers where applicable. Let's get right on to that first focus question. Right, you will see that it's an image-based one with some information. Take a few moments just to see what information you can gather from this screen. Pause the video now and I will talk through what I will see, or what I do see, and you can see if you've got the same information. Pause now. Right, so I can see Elliot there, the boy, has 5 bowls of noodles. Holly, the girl, has 3 bowls of noodles and 2 bowls of dumplings. According to the menu, a bowl of dumplings costs £1.65. Holly is also saying she paid £8.50 less than Elliot. The question is asking us, how much does each bowl of noodles cost? Right, so the information we require to answer this question is all there. We just need to understand what we know. Let's swap to the visualizer and write down. Right, so 2 children in this problem. We have Elliot and we have Holly. Can you remember how many bowls of noodles Elliot had bought? I believe he had bought 5. So that means I'm going to draw 5 parts to his bar, because he bought all of the same thing. Can you remember how many bowls of noodles Holly bought? She bought 3. So let's draw 3 parts to her bar to show those 3 bowls of noodles. Then she did something different to Elliot. She bought 2 bowls of dumplings. Know something about the dumplings, that 1 bowl costs £1.65. So in this section here, I'm going to do a blue one to represent the dumplings, and I'm going to say that that must be 2 lots of £1.65, because she bought 2 bowls of dumplings. The other piece of information we do know is that Holly paid £8.50 less than Elliot. So whatever Elliot has paid is represented by this bar, and this Holly's bar represents an amount less. And what we're going to do to help us work it out is we're going to draw that in and we're going to show the amount less. The amount less she paid was £8.50. Okay, now if we look at our bar, we can see that £8.50 and 2 lots of £1.65 is equal to 2 bowls of noodles. £8.50 and 2 lots of £1.65 is equal to 2 bowls of noodles. So we've got a couple of steps here to do first. 1, we need to work out what 2 lots of £1.65 is. We can use our multiplication for that. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. So £3.30 for the 2 bowls of noodles. And now to work out what this section is, we need to add that to the £8.50. So £8.50 add £3.30. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So this, on Holly's bar, total £11.80, which means that these two sections of Elliott's bar are also £11.80. What can we do to work out what each of these sections is worth? If this is £11.80, we can divide £11.80 by 2 using our short division algorithm. Twos into 1 we can't do, so move that 1 along to make 11. 2's into 11 goes 5 times, but with 1 left over. 2's into 18, 9, because 9 times 2 is 18. 2's into 0, it's 0. £5.90. That means that in every one of these sections is £5.90. That means we know that a bowl of noodles costs £5.90. Let's have a look at a second question. Right, so we now know that a bowl of dumplings costs £1.65, and we know that a bowl of noodles costs £5.90. This question is asking us how much did Holly and Elliot pay altogether. If you'd like to solve that and check your answer in a moment, you should pause the video now. Right, so what information do we know? Well, we know that Elliot bought 5 bowls of noodles at £5.90. And we know that Holly bought 3 bowls of noodles and 2 bowls of dumplings. The 3 bowls of noodles are £5.90, the 2 bowls of dumplings are £1.65. Let's swap to the visualizer and solve this. £5.90 multiplied by 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 5 is 25, plus this 4 is 29. So Elliot's part is £29.50. Now we need to do Holly's part. She bought how many bowls of noodles? 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 5 is 15, plus this 2, 17. But Holly also bought 2 bowls of dumplings, and the dumplings cost, let me just double check, £1.65. £1.65 times 5, 2. We solved that on the last calculation, but let's just do it again to double check. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 6. Sorry, 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 2 times 2 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. £3.30. So the total would be £29.50 plus £17.70 plus £3.30. £29.50, £17.70 plus £3.30. All these zeros together make 0. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 3 is 20. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So altogether, Elliot and Holly spent £50 and 50 pence on noodles and dumplings. How did you do on that one? Well done if you got it right. Let's move on to one final question. Amira bought 2 bowls of noodles and 1 bowl of dumplings. She gave the cashier 3 £5 notes. calculate the change. If you'd like to solve that one now yourself and check your answer in a moment, you should pause the video now. Let's swap back to the visualizer. Amira bought 2 bowls of noodles and 1 bowl of dumplings. 2 bowls of noodles, that's 2 lots of £5.90. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 5 is 10, plus this 1, 11. £11.80 for the noodles, plus 1 bowl of dumplings, which is £1.65. £11.80 plus £1.65. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1 on its own. 1. So, her 2 bowls of noodles and 1 bowl of dumplings came to £13.45. Can you remember what she paid with? That's right, it says she paid with 3 £5 notes. Well, 3 lots of 5 is 15. And as we know, £15 is 15 pounds and 0.00 pence. So let's subtract what her food cost from the amount she paid with to work out the change she was due. We can't take 5 away from 0, and we can't take anything from here either. So let's go over to here, take £1 off there, move it over into this column, and then straight away we need to take it from there, so make that 9, and bring that over to here. So now we have 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 4, 5, 4 take away 3, 1, 1 take away 1, 0. So her change should have been £1.55. One final question. A shop wants to send 9 boxes and 3 parcels to 2 different addresses. The first shipment is made up of 6 boxes and weighs 3.3 kilograms more than the second shipment, which is made up of 3 boxes and 3 parcels. The 3 parcels weigh 6.9 kilograms. Find the mass of A, the 6 boxes, and B, the 3 boxes and 3 parcels. And Ravi there is telling us these weigh 3.3 kilograms more than the others. Thanks, Ravi. Okay, so if you want to have a go at this one on your own, now is the time to press pause. We're going to swap to the visualizer and draw out what we already know. Pause now. Right, let's go to the visualizer. So we know there were 2 shipments on this one, a first shipment and a second shipment. And let's reread what went in the first shipment. The first shipment is made up of 6 boxes, and it weighs 3.3 kilograms more than the second shipment. So it's made up of 3 boxes. We'll make these boxes a little bit bigger this time. The second shipment is made up of 3 boxes. Oh, I've made a mistake on that first one. The first shipment is made up of 6 boxes. Right, so I better go back and turn that into 6. Thanks for spotting my error. The second shipment is made up of 3 boxes and 3 parcels. Let's put 3 boxes in. And then 3 parcels. I'm going to show those in here, like this. Those are the 3 parcels. It tells us that the 3 parcels weigh 6.9 kilograms. And as Ravi kindly reminded us, they weigh 3.3 kilograms more than the others. The first shipment weighs 3.3 kilograms more. So this part, thanks to Ravi, we know is 3.3 kilograms. You might be remembering how we solved this last time when we had a bar model a bit like this. That's right, we're going to add this, the parcels, to this, the difference, and then we'll know the mass of this, which is equal to 3 of these. Let's do the adding first. 6.9 plus 3.3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 3 makes 10. So this is 10.2 kilograms. And these 3 parts are equal to 10.2 kilograms. So to find out what goes in one of these, and therefore all of these, we need to divide 10.2 by 3. Let's swap to our short division algorithm now. Doesn't matter that it's a decimal number, we can still use it, as long as we remember to put our decimal in when we do our answer. 3's into 1 we can't do, move that along next to the 0. 3's into 10 goes 3 times, with 1 left over. 3's into 12 goes 4 times. That means that each one of these sections is 3.4 kilograms. What was the question asking us? It was a long time ago since we read it. It wants us to find the mass of the 6 boxes. So now we know that in each one of these is 3.4 kilograms. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 3.4. 3.4 times 6. 6 times 24. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So A is 20.4 kilograms for those 6 boxes. One wants to know 3 boxes plus the 3 parcels. What is the mass of that? Well, if 6 boxes is 20.4, we can halve that to find 3 boxes. So the 3 boxes are 10 kilograms, and these 3 parcels are 6.9. So 10.2 plus 6.9 . 2 plus 9, 11. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7. 1, I do nothing. 17.1. So the 3 boxes and the 3 parcels should be 17.1 kilograms. Can anyone think of a way we can check to see if our answer is correct based on what we were told at the beginning? Aha, Ravi, you've come up trumps again. He told us the difference should be 3.3 kilograms. Is the difference between 20.4 kilograms and 17.1 kilograms 3.3? I'm going to double check. 4 taken away 1 is 3. Can't take 7 away from 0. We can take 7 away from 10. 1 taken away 1. The difference is 3.3. Good. So, there are the answers to A and to B. How did you do? Hopefully you have done well. If there's any questions about any of that, put something into the comments box and I will get back to you. Right, okay, let's put this onto the next screen. Oh, not that one, that was from yesterday's lesson. Right, okay, so here are your independent questions to have a go at using bar modelling to solve. Pause the video now so you can work your way through them. In a few moments I'm going to put the answers, including some bar model diagrams, on the screen so you can check them. Pause now so you can work your way through. Here come the answers. Finally, here's a mind workout for you to have a go at until the next lesson. Hopefully these videos are useful for you, and if there's any questions about any individual thing, or if you spot any calculations that I have done a different way to the way you are doing them, or please spot out any errors that I make in the videos and let me know how you are getting on using them. Right, bye for now.